Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing, and I am wearing the contents of the Boxycharm on my face. So if you want to see how I created this look using the products in this month's Boxycharm as well as a mini review, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box is from Cover FX, and this is the Shimmer Veil. It has a retail value of $28. These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. So we're going to put this on the eyes. This is what it looks like. It looks very, very, very pretty. And it does have a little doe foot applicator. So we'll just try to maybe put it on with one eye with the applicator. Obviously, I put a little black down because I also saw that we got an eyeliner in this box. And I just don't think that this color all by itself with nothing else would look good with a stark black eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? So, that's very, very pretty, like intense. We're going to blend it out, but the applicator is not bad. It works pretty well. And it'll be a little more intense in the inner. This is very opaque. I'm not sure that I'm seeing that you could use this all over your face, but we're going to try it as a highlighter too, I think. Just going to take that on over. It's very, very pretty. If you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to take this brush and just go in with this bronzer color that I have and just kind of pop that into the crease to kind of blend this out a little bit, blend out the edges. But I do think it is really very pretty. And it does appear that it's not creasing. It dries down pretty fast. Let's see. And we're going to test that out again in a minute on our cheeks. But for now, no, I'm thinking I'm not gonna fool with it right now. Okay, the next thing that I see is this. It is by Pure Cosmetics, and it says it's a plumping lip exfoliator. Intriguing. Retail value of $17 with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates. Ooh, it does have really good exfoliators. And soothes. Huh. Okay. First of all, I'm going to say that this is probably going to go away pretty fast. It does feel nice. Oh, okay, so it does twist up. That's cool. It does feel very exfoliating. I don't know about plumping, but I do like that not only does it exfoliate, but it also hydrates the lips, because some exfoliators can feel like they're really drying you out. Now I've got that everywhere. We'll see if it ends up making my lips look any plumper, but I do love lip exfoliators. I'm super happy we got that in the box, because especially right now, my lips are dry. So, anyway, the next thing in the box is this. Look at that packaging. It's so pretty. It's a Vintage by Jessica Lipica. I don't know how to say this last name, and I'm just going to mess it up, so I'm not trying that again. Smoky Eye Pencil in the shade Jet Black. It is actually a pencil that you have to sharpen, but the lid does fit onto the back of it, which is awesome. So we're going to go ahead and test it out on the waterline. Oh, that's smooth. It's very creamy, very pigmented, and it does not tug on the eye. So that is phenomenal. Now I'm going to line the upper waterline. So I do really like that. If it stays put, that's going to be a really a really good black eye pencil. Let's see here. Smoky eye pencil, retail value of $21. And basically it says it is a creamy soft formula, and I agree with that glides on lids without tugging or pulling. And it definitely did not tug or pull at the lids, which is of the utmost importance to me. I was kind of trying to find a smudger brush. I'm never prepared, you know? I always feel like I'm so prepared, and then I'm not prepared. The struggle is real. Okay, this is actually not a smudger brush, but we're gonna just see if this black will smudge just a little under the eye. This is an eyeliner brush, it's just not a smudger brush. There is a difference, but this works, so. I smudged that a little dark. My eye look is looking a little crazy today. It's okay though. I'm actually all about it. So, the next thing in the box is this. These are Crown 3-Piece Pro Brush Trio. I love getting brushes in the box, y'all. Love, love, love it. That's also why I haven't put some of my other makeup on yet, because these say that they're for certain things, so we're going to test them out. Okay, this retails for $29.99. It's a 3-piece brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. So, we're going to use the small brush first, and it's this one, synthetic, and we're going to use it with some concealer to see how it blends that out. Y'all know that I love to use a sponge for blending out my concealer, so we'll see how I feel about this instead. Because I see people using brushes all the time. I just am not one of those people usually. But this does get like right in there and right in the inner corner too, to brighten that up. So if nothing else, I would definitely use it for that. But it's doing a good job of blending out the concealer too. That made that quick and easy. And it actually gives a little bit more coverage to the concealer than with the sponge. Because this concealer I've been testing out, and it'll be in my Worth the Cash or Pass video later this month. I'm liking using this brush for the concealer. I really am liking it. It does a really great job. It's so quick. I didn't think it would be, honestly, if I'm being real with you. Voila! So, this one is a win. The next, I'm going to put that over into my favorites. The next brush, the medium-sized brush, can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Now, I do already have a little bit of bronzer on, but we are going to contour. And it's saying to use this brush right here, which I can see that. I can see that maybe working. And I'm just going to use my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula because it's one of my faves. And we're going to see if we can contour just a little bit with it. Okay, excellent. It creates that good contour line, but then it also blends out at the same time. Look at that cheekbone. I don't know about like the perimeter of the face, like around my forehead. This might take too long to contour out my forehead, but we'll see. I do really like it for contour though. I can totally see that. Okay, let's see about around the a little 5 head. Ooh, got a little too much right there. It actually does a really good job. I've never used brushes for what they say to use them for. I'm so proud of me for doing it. I think it does a great job blending and contouring. So, awesome. And the last brush says it can be used to set everything into place. Now, this I think would be great to set your under eyes. So, we're going to do that. I don't know about an all-over powder brush. I really don't use powder all over anyway. But I do like to just set my under eye with a little bit of powder. And yeah, this is good for that. Definitely. It's like the perfect, because it's tapered, if you can see. Super soft too, so it feels great around the eye area. You definitely don't want a harsh brush around the eye area. And this one is not. It's super soft. So yeah, awesome. I'm loving all 3 of the brushes. And again, that's a retail value of $29.99. So I'll be using those a lot. And I'll give you guys updates in my Worth the Cash or Pass video. Either this month or next, depending on how much I get to use them. But anyway, the last thing that I see in the box is this. And I'm so excited that I got this instead of the highlight palette that I saw, like spoilers of or whatever. Just because, like, I already have a bunch of highlights. But this is an Ofra pop-up palette, like a pop-up Z palette. It's just an empty palette. But you can store your, ow! You can break your nose with it if you hit yourself in the face. Or you can store your pan eyeshadows and things. And the retail value for the pop-up palette mini is $19. And then we also got a blush in Winter Rose Glow. And it's a single. It's got a pretty good pan size and also a pretty color. And then it just pops right into the palette. And that is a retail value of $12 for that. So we are going to put the blush on the face now. I've never tried an Ofra blush. Ooh, that's pretty. I went a little heavy. I didn't know how pigmented it was going to be. That is very, very pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, I like. So, now we are going to go back with the Cover FX. And we're just going to pop this a little bit on the cheekbones and just see how crazy it looks, okay? I'm not going to pop it on with a wand because I just feel like that's going to be too much. But it does say that you can use it all over your face. So, we're going to test that little theory out. Because if it is multi-use, that would definitely be more bang for your buck, you know. I think it's kind of the wrong color for me for a highlight, but it's not bad. And I think it would be really pretty just as a blush topper, maybe not so much as like up on the cheekbones. But as a blush topper, I really think that it would be pretty. But it blends out really easily, like with your fingers or whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to put some mascara on so I can look a little less crazy. Okay, guys, so that is everything that we got in this month's box. The overall value was $127, give or take a couple of pennies, which is amazing because the box is only $21 a month. So, and I'm actually very, very happy with everything that I got in this month's box. Like, I feel like I'll use everything, especially the brushes. I love the brushes. I love getting new brushes. I have not bought brushes, honestly. I have not bought brushes since I started subscribing to Boxycharm. Not once. So, I love the box. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.